OTR Diagnostics Pro subscription now gives you access to unlimited VIN numbers with one adapter license for even a more exceptional value. Whether you're an owner-operator or have a fleet of trucks, you gain valuable insights which can help you perform your own repairs. With Pro subscription, you get access to perform vehicle diagnostics to all the available makes and models. This includes Freightliners, Western Star, International, Mack, Volvo, Peterbilt, Kenworth, with more coverage being added daily. With the ability to read OEM fault codes, you'll have more information at your fingertips. This includes detailed troubleshooting information, fault code symptoms, and other potential items that require attention for repair. Modern trucks have computers making thousands of decisions every second based on information provided or calculated by sensors in the truck. With live data in OTR Diagnostics, you'll get a live look at the information used by the computer to control your truck. If a sensor is providing no information or inaccurate information, you'll be able to see that in real time by looking at your live data. Perform commands from your mobile device such as force DPF regen, reset fault codes, reset DPF filter replacement, reset EGR D rate, reset 5 mph DEF D rate, and many more commands. By having Pro subscription, you'll have all your fault code history and your commands history stored in the cloud. That way you get to see and have access to that information so you can find intermittent issues such as ghost codes. Pro Plan subscription was developed to bridge the gap between dealer level software and generic code readers. If you'd like to learn more information about OTR Diagnostics, please visit us at otrperformance.com.